The eminent biologist, DNA pioneer James D. Watson dies at 97, age of 97. Best known for his co-discovery of double helix structure of DNA alongside Francis S.C. Crick, Watson was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1962. James Watson, S.C. Crick, and Maurice Wilkins were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for their discoveries concerning the molecular structure of nucleic acids and its significance for information transfer in living material. From 1968, Watson served as a director of Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory CSHL in Laurel Hollow, New York, greatly expanding its level of funding and research. In 1953, James Watson and S.C. Crick deciphered the three-dimensional structure of DNA, proposing the iconic double helix. Their model, a twisted ladder of sugar phosphate backbones and paired nitrogenous bases, adenine, thymine in pair, cytosine, guanine in pair, explained how genetic information is copied and inherited. Shown in a right side figure, DNA deoxyribose nucleic acid, cytosine, guanine in pair, adenine, thymine in pair, helix of sugar phosphate strip and base pair in the middle. This breakthrough transformed the understanding of heredity, disease, and biotechnology. Maurice Wilkins showed Watson photographs of X-ray diffraction pattern of DNA's structure, and later that year Watson learned both he and Crick wanted to discover DNA's structure. DNA double helix. DNA is composed of two strands twisted together, also called the double helix as shown in figure. DNA forms a double helix composed of two anti-parallel strands left and containing a pair of nucleotide formed by thymine, adenine, and guanine cytosine. Thymine, adenine 3, 5 to 3, and 3 to 5 is guanine and cytosine as shown in the figure.